Alright, the difference with this side, guys, is a lot more stuff is going to be in the way. So let's see if I can mount you guys up again. Alright guys, so we're back. Sorry, phone actually overheated again. So let's get back to it. Alright guys, so I had to make another trip. This time to Lowe's. Get some breaker bars. Unfortunately, the biggest one they had was 18-inch. So we're going to have to make do with what we got, fortunately. So let's go see what we can do. Alright guys, so what I was able to do was had to go and buy a pry bar, just right there. And put it right on this edge. Had to make sure I aired up the airbags again because they depleted. And just hammer it down, and then this was able to come loose. So now I would have to pry it off, or pry it up again, but it's going to be loose here. Here you go, love.
Okay.
So as you can see, I had to pry quite a bit just to get this thing loose. So that's the old one compared to the new one.
Hold on.
Compared to the old one, you can see that the metal, shim in the middle, slid, especially on this side. Compressing down, it's about the same, but expanding. Looks like the old one expands faster. Alright, now putting the new one in. You're gonna have to compress it. But first, I need to check something. As much as you can. Turn it to where you're gonna need to have it. This is about there. Alright, I don't want to pry as hard this time. I just want to... I really don't care about this tool, so let's see if I can use it to help guide the hole in. Alright, so that one's in. Fortunately, the one underneath is not in. So let me just tighten this one down so we know we're at where we have to be. Once you kind of line it up, you can tap it in just like that. And we got to put thread lock on the back. But first, we're going to go ahead and put this torsion bar back because we had the torque wrench set to that torque. That one again, we're gonna use some thread lock. Pretty simple, just Got a thread lock right here. Gonna go in from the back and put some on. Now?
Yeah. Yep, it's on.
Alright. Put some thread lock on. Washer. And nut. Alright, that's that one. Because you have to put thread lock on before you zip it on. Alright. Alright, so that one's starting now. Put some thread lock on the back of this bolt. Excuse me. Put the washer. Mount the nut. Alright. That's that. Take off our wrench. Alright, so that's the steers and the cab shocks. Done. Alright guys, so we'll follow up with the ones for the drives here in a second. Let's just take a quick break, wash up, clean off the tools, and we'll carry on with the ones for the shock, for the drives. Alright, thanks.